How to upload full-length video story on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search icon and now type Messenger. Now click on search. Now tap on Messenger and install Messenger. If it's already installed, simply tap on update. Now go back to the home screen and open up Messenger on your device. Now sign in into your account. Now once you're signed in, open up your chat. Now open up your chat. Now tap on the gallery icon. Now select the video you want to add into the story. Now don't tap on send, simply tap on edit. Now at the bottom left corner, simply tap on your story. Now wait for some time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.